cellphone. Nakadapa. Have a cold morning, guys. It's really cold this morning. No? Feel sleepy pa. Good morning, good morning. Mamaya magkakape ulit. So, good morning. Good morning to viewers. Good morning, guys. I just wanna show you something, guys. Please watch my playlist like this, guys. You see, if you go in my profile, in my live Lala vlog, this is our playlist. Okay, I just wanna show you something. Okay, just like this. It's like this. Okay, see, this is our live now. Gonna go this. This are me. See, this is my account, right? This is my account, right? And you go in my video, YouTube, live and short video. See that? I'm so dark. Okay, see that? See? If you go there in my playlist, you go there in playlist, right? And then you will see next choice mini like 16 playlist overnight, like just like this. So 10. Okay, this is playlist. Hi guys, to viewers, please watch my playlist, guys. Okay, like this 7 playlist. You can watch that overnight when you sleep. Okay, please. And then play all. Okay, touch the button, play all, like that. Okay, then we play like that. You can watch overnight when you sleep. We have 3 cell phone here in house. When everyone's are sleeping, we're gonna use for playlist and overnight, because we're not use a cell phone for touching, no, just sleeping. We are sleeping, just click the playlist and all, choose the mini playlist, 16 playlist. You can touch the button and select all, right? Thanks everyone, and hopefully help me to improve my YouTube channel, Lala Vlog, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Okay, it's like this. You can choose mini. This is our playlist, Lala Vlog, guys. Okay. And many more. You see, live. See that? I can just get that.